Now the division algorithm. In the previous class, we learned about this division rule. Now here the division algorithm is nothing but, how can we write the division algorithm? The same, A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. In the previous class, we find by some examples. Here A is called dividend, B is called divisor, Q is nothing but quotient, R is the remainder. Always the remainder should be sometimes equal to 0, sometimes more than 0, but always less than B. If we observe A is 13 and B is 3, then what happens? We should divide 13 with 3. 3 4s are 12, the remainder is 1. Now, always the remainder should be less than the quotient. Sorry, less than the divisor. Now here, the previous class we learned about this. How can we write this? A is 13. 13 equal to B is 3. The quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1. Now, how can we format this? For given positive integers, A and B, the exist unique pair of Q and R as A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. Yeah, this is the division algorithm. Given positive integers A and B, in the previous example A is 13, B is 3. Always there exist unique pair. Now what is Q? Q is quotient. 3 4s are 12. The remainder is 1. Now 4 and 1. This is a pair. The given positive integers A and B, there exists unique pair of Q and R as A equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. Now it is nothing but Euclid's algorithm. It is named as Euclid's algorithm. It is nothing but Euclid's algorithm. Now, the application of this Euclid's algorithm, we may find the HCF of two given numbers. What is the meaning of HCF? The highest common factor. If you take maybe 20 and 30, if you take 20 and 30, the factors of 20, 1, 2 and 4, 5, then after 10, 20. These are the factors of 20. What are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Now what are the common factors? Here is 1, here is 1. Common factors. Then after 2. Then after 5. Now then after 10. HCF, the highest common factor. The maximum value in common factor is 10. The HCF of 20 and 30 is 10. We learned in 7th class about the finding of HCF of two given numbers by division method. Once we look about that, finding of the HCF of 20 and 30 by division method, we are doing like this. 20 ones are 20. The remainder is 10. Then with the here in the first step, 10 is the remainder, 20 is the divisor, 30 is the dividend. Now in the second step, the new dividend is 20. The previous remainder become the divisor here. Now we should divide the 20 with the help of 10. 10 twos are 20. The remainder is 0. Where the remainder becomes 0, that divisor is called HCF. That HCF. Okay. Here the 10 is the HCF of 20 and 30. With the help of the division algorithm also, we can find, with the help of the division algorithm, we can find the HCF. How can we find the HCF with the division algorithm? First, finding HCF by division algorithm. Finding HCF by division algorithm. What is division algorithm? A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B. This is the division algorithm. Now HCF of 20 and 30. Now the maximum number is 30. Now A is 30. In the first step, A is 30. We should divide 30 with the help of 20. B is 20. A is the dividend and B is the divisor. How can we write A 30 equal to B is 20 into 20 ones are 20. The remainder is 10. In the next step, 20 become, here in the first step 20 is the divisor. Now it become the dividend 20. The previous remainder here become divisor. 10 twos are 20. The remainder is 0. Where the remainder becomes 0, that divisor is called HCF. HCF is 10. In the previous division method, direct division method, also we find 10, and the previous of that, the conceptual method also we discussed the HCF is 10 with the finding of HCF by division algorithm. One more example we can learn. The finding HCF of 60 and 100. The problem is in your text. HCF of 60 and 100. Here the maximum number become A. Dividend 100. The B is 60. Divisor is 60. From this rule of division, A means 100 is equal to 60. Ones are 60. The remainder is 40. In the next step, the 60 become the dividend. 60. The 40 become divisor. 40 ones are 40. The remainder is 20. Then this 40 become dividend. The remainder become divisor. 20 twos are 40. The remainder is 0. Where the remainder becomes 0, that divisor is called HCF. Means HCF of 60 and 100 is 20. Okay. Now like that. One more example. If we discussed 50 and 70. 50 and 70. The HCF of 50 and 70. For 50 and 70, we should go from conceptual process. The factors of 50 and factors of 70. Factors of 50 means 1, 2. Yeah, we know that. Okay, directly we should write 150s are, 225s are, 510s are. Yeah, like that. 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Pause. Now for factors 70, 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 35, 70. Here the common factors. Common factors 1, 2, 5, 10. Then after, yeah, these are the common factors. The maximum highest common factor is 10. This is the conceptual method, highest common factor is 10. The old division method, then after the division method. By division method, we should divide the highest number with the smaller one. 50 ones are 50. Then the remainder is 20. We should divide the 50 with this 20. 20 twos are 40. The remainder is 10. 10 twos are 20. Then the remainder is 0. Then HCF is 10. This is division method. Now, with the help of division algorithm, A equal to BQ plus R, where 0 is less than or equal to R is less than B, how can we find this? Simply, now take the maximum number is A is 70, B is 50. From this algorithm, 70 equal to 50, ones are 50, plus the remainder is 20. In the next step, the previous divisor become the dividend. 50 equal to, we should divide with the remainder. 22s are 40, 40, the remainder is 10. Now we should divide the previous divisor become the dividend, equal to, the remainder become the divisor. 10 twos are 20, the remainder is 0. Where the remainder is 0, then the divisor is called HCF. HCF is 10. We discussed by 3 ways. Okay. Now